In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands at the forefront, catalyzing a profound transformation across various industries. AI, once the fabric of science fiction novels, is no longer just a concept, but a tangible force reshaping our modern world. The profound impact of AI is visible in how it optimizes processes, enhances decision-making, and fosters innovation, making it indispensable in today's industries. Let us embark on a journey to explore how AI is revolutionizing some of these industries. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care and treatment protocols. With the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI aids in early detection of diseases such as cancer by analyzing medical images with unparalleled precision. This not only expedites diagnosis, but also personalizes treatment plans, ultimately improving patient outcomes. AI-driven predictive analytics empower healthcare providers to anticipate patient needs and allocate resources more efficiently, a critical advancement in times of crisis. Transitioning to the world of finance, AI is a formidable ally in managing risk and fraud detection. Algorithms capable of learning and adapting are utilized to analyze transactions in real time, identifying irregular patterns that may signify fraudulent activity. This enhances security measures and builds trust among consumers. Furthermore, AI's adeptness at processing unstructured data enables financial advisors to deliver personalized investment strategies, enhancing client satisfaction and financial returns. In the realm of manufacturing, AI has ushered in the era of smart factories. These are characterized by automation and real-time data analysis, optimizing production lines and reducing downtime. Robotics and machine learning enhance precision in manufacturing processes, leading to higher quality products and decreased waste. This progression not only boosts efficiency but also positions industries to meet the demands of a fast-paced, consumer-driven market. The retail sector, too, witnesses a transformation with AI-driven insights guiding inventory management, customer service, and personalized marketing. AI algorithms analyze purchase histories and browsing patterns, generating targeted recommendations that enhance the shopping experience. Virtual assistants and chatbots improve customer service, ensuring swift responses to queries with a human touch. Behind the scenes, AI optimizes inventory levels, ensuring products are available when and where customers demand them. Education is another domain witnessing AI's transformative touch. The advent of personalized learning experiences, guided by intelligent software, tailors educational content to individual learning paces and styles. This democratizes learning, allowing students from various backgrounds to access customized educational resources, fostering inclusivity and equity in education. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that AI's influence permeates every corner of industry, driving innovation and efficiency. However, this revolution is not without its challenges. Ethical concerns about data privacy, job displacement, and the need for transparent AI systems are crucial considerations for the future. Our responsibility is to navigate these waters with foresight and care, ensuring AI serves as a force for good. In this age of rapid technological advancement, AI stands as a beacon of progress, revolutionizing industries and redefining possibilities. As we embrace this transformative force, let us do so with a commitment to ethical innovation, ensuring a future where AI enhances human potential and prosperity for all.